以前在家带孩子做家务，没有什么技能。工作队来了以后，安排我参加技能培训，掌握了技术，让我在村里洗谷场上班。现在我不仅掌握了技术，还有了稳定工作，家里收入达到了5万。感谢党的好政策。
下一步，我们将创造更多的就业岗位，真正的让我们农民实现家门口就业，通过就业不断巩固脱贫成效。通过就业，让我们老百姓的生活越来越好。
Xinjiang has made unprecedented achievements in economic and social development, as well as people's livelihood. People of all ethnic groups in Xinjiang have continuously increased their sense of gains, happiness, and security. In particular, employment and poverty alleviation have seen great results, and people's incomes have increased thanks to good policies of the party and the government, as well as their concern for the people. We believe that under the correct leadership of the central government, our life will be better in the future.
我们要像16岁一样紧紧地抱在一起，加油干，加油干，别小看，不少干。